Hi, welcome to the mix room. This is Dami. Mixing acoustic guitar sometimes can be hard. What I realize is you might have mixed the acoustic guitar and it sound fine, and then you move on to something else, and then you come back to it and you ask yourself, wait, how come I mixed this and I did not hear that really annoying frequency in there that is clouding up the acoustic guitar without no clarity in there, or even so much harshness in there. And then the second time you go is when you actually get it right. That's common, and that is nothing to be ashamed about. So I'm just going to show you in this very quick video what I did on this acoustic guitar, how I was able to find that exact frequency that brought clarity to the guitar track. Without wasting much time, let's jump right in. All right, so here we are. Let me go ahead and play this. I'm gonna bypass the processing. Bring it in. Right, so the plugin I'm gonna focus on here is really this right here. Coming down to about 684. Not like there's a specific frequency. I'm going to boost this. You see, I'm dipping basically 6.4 dB out of that mid range, because I can tell you what you're going to hear there. That it's not musical, and it's just maybe a bunch of notes maybe on the guitar being played together, and they're just fighting each other, masking going on there. So let's play that or boost it and then remove it. So bypass the plugin. Let's hear the guitar with this not included at all. Trying to reset it back to where it was. So I'm going to play it and I'm going to engage this plugin, and I want you to think of what just happened to the guitar. You can actually even close your eyes and open it only when you think it's engaged. And then what do you feel when the plugin is engaged? So you can close your eyes now. I'm doing the same. Of course, I'm clicking it, so I'm going to know. So if you got it right, so you notice not musical at all. One more time, and then we'll call it a day. All right, so that was it. I hope this was really helpful on how to hone in on any nasty frequency. When you're mixing piano or you're mixing guitar, you've done it the first time, take a break, move on. Come back to it again. And don't come back if you feel that it sits well in the mix, that's fine. But keeping those frequency range in mind, especially I would say from 400 to about 700 or 800. There's always something funky going on there. All right, stay tuned and I'll see you in a later video. Bye-bye. God bless.